Those black streaks running down your roof may look like soot, mold, or water damage, but on many asphalt roofs the cause is a living growth that spreads slowly across the shingles. The most common culprit is blue-green algae. It feeds on mineral filler in some shingles and thrives where moisture remains longest. That is why streaks often appear first on shaded or north-facing slopes and beneath overhanging trees. Rain then carries the dark material downward, creating long vertical trails. The streaks may look like they are coming from a leak, but algae usually stains the exterior surface rather than allowing water through the roof. Check the texture from the ground. Flat discoloration suggests algae. Thick, raised green clumps are more likely moss. Random dark patches that stay wet long after rain may indicate trapped debris, damaged shingles, or a drainage problem and deserve closer inspection. Don't attack the streaks with a pressure washer. High-pressure water can strip away protective granules, force water beneath the shingles, and shorten the roof's life. Avoid aggressive scrubbing for the same reason. Cleaning should use a roof-compatible treatment and a low-pressure application method approved for the specific shingles. Protect plants, siding, gutters, and collected rainwater from runoff, and leave steep or slippery roofs to a professional. To slow the streaks from returning, improve sunlight and airflow where practical. Trim overhanging branches without damaging the tree, clear debris, and keep gutters draining properly. When replacement time eventually arrives, algae-resistant shingles may reduce future staining. Dark streaks are often an appearance problem, but don't diagnose by color alone. Use this quick distinction. Flat black trails suggest algae. Thick growth lifting the shingle edges suggests moss and requires faster attention.